Welcome back to Dad Deals for another edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, without further ado, let's check out the best online deals for the week of January 8th, 2024. First up, we have this upright chest freezer from Frigidaire at Walmart for just $198. This thing is 6.5 cubic feet, and that upright design is nice. It has shelves, so you don't just have a big square box that you're trying to pull things out of. My parents actually recently picked this up, and they love it. It's a great size. It is a nice, small, compact size. One downside is the shelves are not adjustable, and it is a manual defrost freezer. But for just $198, this price can't be beat. So if you like to always have a supply of meat, or if you need some extra space in your freezer, check out this one. It's a great price. Up next, we have some DeWalt deals. And first up is over at Lowe's. They have this 2-tool combo kit that comes with your drill driver and your impact driver. These are both the brushless versions of these tools. And it comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, all for just $150. This is a really nice starter set. If you don't have many tools or you're looking for your first drills, this is a great entry point and will really get you set up for your future on a great tool line like DeWalt. Another tool deal over at Home Depot. They have the DeWalt right angle attachments for just $20. That's $10 off the normal price. But these are great for drilling in tight areas like between two studs. And a lot of brands make these, but I found these DeWalt ones to be some of the best made versions of these. These really have less vibration than other ones that I've tried. And they also have a really strong magnet on them that really helps secure that bit in place, especially if, again, like when you're using one of these in a tight space. So check out this deal at Home Depot, just $20. And then one more DeWalt deal over at Amazon. They have their multi-tool. This is the 20 volt max. This is the XR version. That's their top of the line multi-tool for just $100. That's coming with the battery, charger, and a few blades and a soft case. These multi-tools, oscillating tools, whatever you want to call them, are some of the most convenient tools to have, especially if you're going to be drilling out outlet boxes or doing any kind of renovation work. They're just really easy to control, and if you have a nice blade on them, can cut through material like butter. So a great package here over at Amazon for just $100. Lowe's has their Cobalt 2-piece Work Center rolling tool storage carts on sale. This set is $500, and you're getting the base 5-drawer cabinet as well as this top piece that has 6 drawers and then this upper area. So just a really great work center at a nice price at $200 off right now at $500. And another tool storage cabinet over at Lowe's. This one's from Craftsman. This is their 4-drawer rolling cart, and this one's $100. This one does have that nice butcher block top to it, and $100 for one of these is a great price. Over at Woot.com, that's Amazon's outlet site, they have the Ryobi Mr. Fogger with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger for just $40. I got a similar deal at Direct Tools Outlet on this a couple months back, but this is nice as if you're an Amazon Prime member, you get free shipping. So you don't have to pay that normal $15 shipping over at Direct Tools Outlet. And I did a full review on this unit. I actually found it to work really well and really cut down on the mosquitoes in my area. But I'll link to the full review video that I did on it down below if you're interested. But this is a great deal on one of these at just $40. Make sure you're ready for the snow and ice this season with this Snow Joe. This is their 4-in-1 that actually has an LED light on it. I'm not sure why you would need that, but this has it anyway. But this is kind of your premium ice scraper snow broom. This is just $11 over at Woot. And again, if you're a Prime member, you get free shipping. But if you need one or you want to upgrade yours, check out this one for $11. If you're into grilling, whether it be on a grill or a griddle, one of the best tools that you can have is one of these infrared temperature thermometers. These are great. You just point it at the surface, click the button, and it tells you the exact temperature. But these are gotten really cheap, and this is a great price on one for just $17 over at Amazon. You could really tell if your grill or griddle is preheated correctly and ready to cook on. Over at Walmart, they have this great price on this Hyper Tough branded bar stool and table. This would be a great addition to any shop or garage if you need a little seating area or eating area. But this is just $68 right now. It's almost half the normal price. The top of the table is a nice diamond plated shop style, and it's just a nice little set here. Amazon has this great price on this Intex twin size air mattress that comes with a battery pump, but this is just $15. So if you have any camping plans in your future for you and your family, or you just need a spare air mattress to have on hand, check out this one, just $15. Home Depot's had some nice prices on Ryobi battery sets, and here's kind of a higher end one. This one's $114, but it comes with a charger, a 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a 6 amp hour battery. And these are the high performance versions, so these are going to get you more juice, more power, and it comes with a soft shell bag for just $114. So a nice price if you need to upgrade your Ryobi batteries or you just need some more. Check out this. This Sharpie set over at Amazon is a great deal. You're getting 2 of the fine points, 2 of the regular version, and 2 of the fat tip. But this is just $5.45. So if you need some more Sharpies and need to restock, check out this deal. Amazon also has this Amazon Basics 4-shelf storage unit on wheels, which is important. But this is just $53 and is a nice storage solution for a garage or pantry. And I just love the fact that it's on wheels. It's tax season, and over at Newegg, they have a great deal on the H&R Block software, where if you pair it with a gift card, you can get it for just about $15. But this is the H&R Block Deluxe and State version, and you can pair it with either a Lowe's or Home Depot or any of these other gift cards. They're $20 gift cards, so the whole thing is $35. With that $20 gift card, bring it down to $15. It's one of the cheapest prices I've seen on this. So if you use the H&R Block software, check out this deal. Amazon's also having a big sale on a lot of their men's clothing. Here we have this men's full zip hooded fleece sweatshirt in this kind of checkered pattern for just $8.40. They also have this nice pullover for just $9, some fleece jogging pants for just $6, some shorts for $5, and some cargo shorts for $5 as well. And also this long sleeve flannel shirt for $5. So just great prices. If you need to restock some of your winter clothes and you don't want to spend a lot of money, check out these deals at Amazon. Amazon also has this Canon monochrome laser printer. I always recommend people to get laser printers. The ink is so much cheaper. It doesn't dry out like your inkjet versions. This is the scanner and copier version for just $100. The downside to this is it is only black and white, but if you're okay with that, definitely go with a laser printer. And here's a nice one from Canon for just $100. And then last up, over at Home Depot, a nice Milwaukee deal. This is their M12 line, the fuel versions, and this is $200, and you're getting 2 drills, 2 batteries, 1 extra capacity one, a charger, a bit set, a soft case, and they actually have an extra high output battery that you're going to get included for free. So for the total of 3 batteries. So just a great set here for just $200. And like the DeWalt one we mentioned earlier, just a really nice beginner set. If you're just getting into a tool line, this is going to get you some really good quality tools, some nice batteries, and the Milwaukee line is excellent as well as DeWalt. So that's it. Those are the deals this week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll have more videos coming out like this. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Dad Deals.